This is strictly for mature ears, eyes and brain. Keep your opinion to yourself because you can less about your stupidness and dumbness. This is a pure talent. Love it or leave it alone.
Angizile nohlobo le-sound olizwa on your radio airwaves. Ngiphila nge-flow abanye bathi ngi-imitate imimate. So quickly press play ngikwenza ungibelieve scream u-amen. Uviya ngokuthanda ama-spaghetti kanti uthenga iskelem. Damn, you are the rappers with your corniest lines. You claim you making paper, what the heck with Jacobs Nenza? Just pack your bags uphuma uphela ungaze usivezela ihlazo. You represent the wackest ever. Hayi lo Jolo Adam. How come? Wayisingatanya yini? Yebo kunjalo. Ku-mastermind ngikwazi ukhipha ingqondo ngiyibole kuzalo. Anginaso isikhathi sokuthi ngidabukele abazali bakho. Ngibulala ingane yomfazi mayithanda ukwayi ngihlomeka isigazo menayibo. Awuchazela abantu-ke ngale rap yakho. Utshwala nama-models izinto lezo ngenazo. Sokuthi uthathe ipeni uclaime nje ufika kanjani lapho. I think iphuze enkulu wena ilo hlezi urapha ngayo. Man shit, khuluma udoda be all over your house. I'm off the wall ngidila izinto ngekhokhotha-ke now. Mukhopha le sound ngoba uxaka ukukhompoza uget ngiphepha la sweet bayangifohloza ngirapha into emnandi sengiluza 4 amacheri ngiwakhaphela into ewa ungene embhedeni wami umisa amadolo ukhale ngokubala mangisiguqu vula uzipho umuntu ababaza iphaki ngifuna ingane egcwele umngcole engasayigezi futhi ayiwashi. I'm serious. I thought by now I'd be a bigger artist. Basukusebenza nabantu abafazi that the truest artist. The most important thing to both kumele uthande business. That's why the industry is fucked. It's cause you fucking dumb bitch. Angizena ndaba namuntu sangibhika izindonga ke na angincengedile ngizengisponsor ngizengokhona nezame manithi nastopa ngizoyosa kwibhom la petrol of stonga nemthope ufowethu ngenenkosi la poison recobra ehash bonke basibona bedopa noma ukujoma lekati yokuthoma nguphola idole ethole behola ngaphandle umculo uyabhora ngicula into eyodwa nonke ngiyafana. Go home and fuck off the one show you corny as fuck. Hold it up akabona ukuthi baxoshwa ngemali siwasokwenza popular horses when I was society. Got your body you following on all of the devil signs. You've been sold to say the wrongs on your songs with simple stuff. No, this should be chosen so more control abantu bazokwenza isothando ibona kodwa bakhohle obakho vula ingqondo usibone lakhona lokwekono sathani ngoba bablokha lobuciko umntwana ofisa abone abantu. So don't be afraid to call your boss on the phone and design ngoba zonke izinto zaflow uzosasakhokhi nesitala sakhokhi uze why? Okay, so guess morning is fine. So be no muntu owini lozo ngale inombolo kwi-doubt. I'm out. It's sivulele iminyango mangafuna izizephondo langesando yofana nyekele usayikho ifuthi sesekwindleva nje ikhala lakosando phakama isandla muhamba nayo ungathandi nabe ungalwa nayo nyekele ngithi sivulele iminyango mangafuna izizephondo langesando yofana nyekele usayikho ifuthi sesekwindleva nje ikhala lakosando phakama isandla muhamba nayo ungathandi nabe ungalwa nayo
Episode 19 Miss Money.